In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Samsung phone to your MacBook computer. So this is really useful if you want to go and transfer photos and videos between your different devices. Now, the first step is to go and grab a USB-C cable, and you just need to plug one end into your Samsung phone and the other end go and plug into your Mac computer. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to unlock your Android. And if you get any notifications pop up, just make sure to click on allow. You'll then need to use your finger to swipe down in the top left hand side of the phone and then click on USB for charging phone, and it will take you over to the USB settings. You'll then need to click on the option for transferring files Android Auto. You could then just go and enter your Android password. Now once you've done this, head back over to your Mac computer and you need to press the command key and also the space bar at the same time. This is going to bring up the search box and we just need to search for image capture and go and open up this app here. Now once it's open, you'll be able to see all of the files and the videos on your Android phone, and you can essentially go and download these and transfer them to your Mac computer. So that's how to connect your Samsung to your MacBook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.